Traders, good afternoon. September 27, 2018, after the market closed. Going to provide another trading report update on GIFA Inc, ticker symbol FRFS. Symbol might be changed, well, not might be, should be changed real soon, any day now. But let's take a look on the technical level. Now, we know this news is great news for us. It's disruption on the positive end. We like it. But we have to take technicals and chart patterns into consideration until everything actually takes effect, right? So there's a lot of buyers that came into this market, into FRFS, since it was actually fully reported that GIFA took over RFS. When was it? On September 24th. Yesterday, they came out and stated that they have, they're looking to change their name in the near future. Their ticker symbol. So that's what we're looking forward for, obviously, and financials. But the buyers, remember, we wanted on technical level for it to break and stay above 10 cents. And that's what it did today. Closed up at closed up roughly 16, almost 17% for the day, about a penny and a half. Closed at 0.105, so 0.105. We wanted her to close at 10 or higher. She did that. Looks healthy. This long reversal play looks like it's coming into effect, if you guys can see that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of these circles. I'm going to create a channel that was just created. I'm going to leave these lines here. So you notice how it battled the support at around 7.5, went higher. And now, you know, after it broke that 10.5 mark, touched 12.5 at one point, and been trading around 9 to 10.5. So this right here is her base. This is her range right here. You see this? These lines were already up from the other day, if you look at my previous tutorials. So this is one support level, two support level, resistance level. You can see how she broke through this range, went to about 12.5, then ticked back down, closed underneath her on the hourly time frame. So this is its trading range, but momentum is up. We're seeing higher highs and higher lows, right? So we have obviously one low, one high, one low, one high, one low, one high, one low, one low, one high. So you see these lows are always higher and the highs are higher than the previous lows. Higher lows, higher highs. Looking great, right? So what I'm going to do is just create a channel, give you guys a good indication as far as the chart movement and chart pattern. Remember, these two lines is its current trading range. But now what I'm going to do is put up a channel for you guys just to see if this is something that is going to play out. Now, I know it's not perfect, so bear with me, and I'll just try to adjust it once done. All right? So, let me see if I can adjust it. Did I do that right? Nope, I got to bring this down a little bit, guys. Yep. So this looks like its channel right here. Okay. This looks like her channel right now. Remember, I created a channel, I believe it was 2 days ago, after this up move. I believe it was 2 days ago. Can't recall. And the channel was broken, and then I removed that, and I showed you this long-term reversal. Now, instead of this circle, since I found this channel, and this channel seems more correct, I actually put up there for your guys' reviews. All right, so you guys can see for yourself. Now remember, this is the resistance and this is the support. But this channel is supposed to trade in this channel. And obviously, if she breaks through resistance, we can see her go up to this channel, then maybe bounce back down, then head higher. But the ultimate goal is for her to break this level, which she's pretty much near, right? Excuse me, this ain't it. I have to go further back. My apologies. So her ultimate goal is to break this bar right here, which is 14 cents. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a horizontal to give you guys an indication of what we're looking for an explosion. Okay, so we have this channel that's created. Let me go back on the 60-minute. Let me show you the channel. We already saw the resistance up here. You see that 14 cents right there? So that's our resistance. Let's look at the 60-minute. This is what it looks like. All right, we still have a shoulder. Let me just go into the doodle mode. Still have a shoulder. We have a head right here, right? We still have all this as a shoulder, and it looks like this is becoming a shoulder, okay? And let me just undo those. But that's what we're looking for right now. The trend is up. It's looking good. It's very healthy. The news actually, like I stated, once 10 was broken, now it looks more of a buy than a sell. You know how shorts were making long sweat? Now the cycle's reversed. Longs are making shorts sweat. And they deserve it because they put a lot of people in a lot of crap. You know, it's just deteriorating. And I even got some crap from people saying, oh, I'm BS. I recommended FRFS. I don't recommend. I provide my opinions. Okay? It's your job to do your due diligence. But, you know, it's, you know, even though as an educator, as an analyst for nearly 2 decades, you know, a trader, even though we can see these patterns, we have no control of what happens inside the meeting rooms with the business owners and the company owners, what they're doing, the board members, you know, what they plan to do. We have no control of that. And their situations with politics and governmental, you know, the governmental political arena. However, you know, the best we can do is look at what we know as far as the trading language, as far as chart patterns, and news, the information, the resources. Those are all of our tools, right? And we use those tools to try to successfully position ourselves in a position where we can profit and make money off of. And that's our goal in trading. So every individual who's still in this, congratulations. You know, I'm giving you guys lots of thumbs up because, you know, I honestly believe finally it's a matter of time. We've been waiting for nearly a year. Looks like GIFA is stepping up their game, but it's a little too soon to tell. But I'm happy we have this uptrend and things are heading positive for us. That big breaking 10 and closing above 10 was huge for us. Remember, follow me on Twitter @TradingTeacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com.